Divisibility by 6. Rule. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, the number 258 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by 2, even number, and also by 3. The sum of digits forms a number divisible by 3, i.e. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, with a remainder of 0. On the other hand, 158 is divisible by 2, even number, but not by 3. The sum of digits is not divisible by 3 because 1 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 14, and this number is not divisible by 3. This means 158 is not divisible by 6. Likewise, 357 is divisible by 3, the sum of digits divisible by 3, i.e. 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15, which is a number divisible by 3, but not by 2, odd number. When we check the results using a calculator, we obtain 258 divided by 6 is equal to 43. 158 divided by 6 is equal to 26.333. And 357 divided by 6 is equal to 59.5, results that confirm the findings obtained using the divisibility rules. Example. Check whether the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 or not. A. 37,917. B. 219,072. C. 3,441,080. Solution. A. 37,917 is not divisible by 2 as it is an odd number. 37,917 is divisible by 3 as 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 27 to 3. 37,917 is not divisible by 4 as the number 17 formed by its last two digits is not divisible by 4. 37,917 is not divisible by 5, as its last digit is neither 0 nor 5 but 7 instead. 37,917 is not divisible by 6 as it is divisible by 3 but not by 2. B. 219,072 is divisible by 2 as it is an even number. 219,072 is divisible by 3 as the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 21 to 3. 219,072 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits, 72, form a number divisible by 4. 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18. 219,072 is not divisible by 5, as this number does not end with 0 or 5. 219,072 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3. C. 3,441,080 is divisible by 2 as it is an even number. 3,441,080 is not divisible by 3 as the sum of its digits is not divisible by 3. 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 20, which is not divisible by 3. 3,441,080 is divisible by 4 as the number 80 formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. 3,441,080 is divisible by 5 as it ends with 0. 3,441,080 is not divisible by 6 as it is not divisible by 3. That is all for lesson 1.6.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.7, Divisibility by 7. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.